The question is, an observer is moving with half the speed of light towards a stationary microwave source emitting waves at frequency 10 GHz. What is the frequency of the microwave measured by the observer? Speed of light is given as 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. These are the options. Now how to solve this? For relativistic motion, we know that F equal to F naught root c plus v upon c minus v, where v is the relative speed of approach. This one. Now, we are given the frequency 10 GHz of the, so we'll put f naught as 10. Now c is the speed of light, and we are given that v is equal to half of the speed of light. It is given in the question. So we'll put v as c by 2 here and here. So by simply calculating, we will get 10 root 3, which will be 17.3 GHz.